Hi, this is Shri. Today I'll be breaking down a common yet very effective technique. This is one of those wherein you go, stop and reverse. We'll be using our Mayas and Taksims for this, but watch it till the end because we have something for the intermediate level dances too. We are going to take half a Maya on the left and a quarter Maya on the right. Stop. Take a reverse, half a Taksim on the left, slide right, stop. Right before we are taking the reverse, we want the quality to be sharp. So it goes as soft and soft and soft and sharp, smooth and smooth and smooth and sharp. We want to be aware of the points we are hitting. While doing the Maya, we try and reach the point above the neutral level. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. While we do the Taksim, we try and reach the point below the neutral level. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's try with music. Double 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. This additional layer goes for the intermediate level dancers. We take an arm wave on the left from the finger to the shoulder and an arm wave on the right from the shoulder till the elbow. From there we go reverse. This goes on the count of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Reverse and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's layer it up. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's try it with music. Double up 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.